Here is ceiling. Hey guys, ceiling fits reads today. I think a Heritage Spectre. I'm not sure. It's a Heritage Spectre ceiling fan, top mount spinner. It's a spinner ceiling fan. My second spinner fan. This is actually my second spinner fan. This is my Westinghouse. Same thing. I have my bottom mount spinner Westinghouse ceiling fan, and this is my top mount spinner ceiling fan. So this is actually my second ceiling fan. This is my second spinner fan. Top. Let's go. Got white blades on both sides. Same thing. There's a top there. Let me give you a. The model is. Hold on. Made in China. The model is M36R. So it's a nice fan. It's a spinner fan. So I'm just going. I don't think it's original. It originally was the globe. So this looks right. This actually looks right. See, that's a good globe. So yeah, go ahead and give it a demo here. Give it a demo here. Here's the light. There's the light here. Holding is like feeling so weird. I don't know. Whatever. It still works. So light off. Here it is on low. It's low. Oh, I don't want it. Go quiet. It's a little motor hum. Just the top of it. Top. Really quite powerful. Nice fan. So here's medium. High. Oh yeah, good now. Who's high? Well, there's a lot of air. Kind of wobbles a little bit, not too bad. Stop. There's light on. Wait, it might be CEC Georgian, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's a Heritage Spectre. It's off. Stop it. Alright, so there you go. It's your Heritage Spectre. Some kind of thing. So yeah, there you have it. So yeah, that's it.